we are discuss about the set and the map in the collection. First one we discuss about the set. The set interface present in java.util package, and it extends the collection framework, collection interface. It is an unordered collection of the object in which duplicate value cannot be sorted. It is an interface that implements the mathematical set. This interface implements the methods that inherited the collection interface and add the new features that restrict the use of insertion duplicate elements. There are two interfaces extended in the set. That is, first one is a sorted set and second one is a navigation set. Then we can discuss about the methods of set. First one is the add method. The add method is used to add the element in the set. Then second one is a clear method to remove all the elements from the set but does not delete the set. Then third one is a content. The content method is to check the whether specific element is present or not. Then next one is a hash code. This method is return the hash code of the value. Then we can discuss about the classes of the interface. First one is a hash set, then second one is linked list hash set, then third one is a tree set. First one is a hash set. Hash set class which is implemented in the collection interface. It is an implementation of hash table data structure. The object that we can insert into the hashed set, and the object that are inserted in the not that are inserted is not in the same order. The object are inserted based on their hash code. Then second one is a linked hash set. Linked hash set class is which is implemented in the collection framework. It is ordered version of the hash set that maintain the doubly linked list and put the elements into the linked list. Then third one is a tree set. Tree set class is which is implemented in the collection framework. It is implementation by the sorted set interface and the sorted set extend with the tree set. It is in that element are the sorted in the ascending order. Then second one is we can discuss about the map interface. That is, it contains the values, that is key and values. Each key and value pair is known as a entry. A map contains the unique key. A map is used to the search, update and the delete element basis on their key. There are two interface. First one is a map and second one is a sorted map. There are three classes. First one is a hash map, then linked map, and third one is a tree map. Thank you.